everyone! Today we are taking a deep dive into the Atomstock A24 Pro laser engraver and cutter, a machine packed with features that are sure to elevate your engraving and cutting game. Before we jump into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future reviews. Let's get started with showing you the machine in action, and then we will dive into the technical features. A24 Pro, the high-powered 20-watt laser engraving machine that's turning the heads in the industry. Designed for ease of use, this machine offers a free installation design, a generous 370 by 310 mm engraving working area, and a tongue chain wiring harness for smooth operation. Let's explore the standout features that make this engraver a game changer. One of the key features is the second generation Blue Laser Beam compression technology. This innovative compression packaging process not only compresses the laser beam, but also significantly improves the cutting ability. The ultra-fine laser focal area has been reduced to an impressive 0.06 by 0.06 mm, providing unparalleled precision. The A24 Pro boasts an all-aluminum alloy structure, ensuring both durability and stability. The integrally formed bottom frame and dual-axis guide rail structure for the X-axis minimize the vibrations, allowing the machine to operate at an astonishing speed of 36,000 mm per minute. It's not just about power, it's about stability at high speeds. The tongue chain wire bundling solution enhances structural stability and ensures smooth operation of the wire harness without entanglement. The A24 Pro's laser model is non-clogging, featuring a tool-free focusing module and an integrated air assist system. This results in a sleek, minimalist design, free from interference. With the most stable 20-watt high-power laser model, the A24 Pro delivers exceptional cutting power. The fixed focus design allows for rapid and precise focusing in just 10 seconds. It can cut through various materials, including 18mm tungwood, 10mm black acrylic, and even 0.05mm stainless steel in one go. The extra mile with its 32-bit motherboard, offering faster data reception and processing capabilities. The mobile app, available for both Android and iOS, provides a new control experience. Plus, the patented double-layer wind hood design ensures both long-term use without blocking or polluting the lens. Equipped with an emergency stop button, limit switches, and gyroscopes, the A24 Pro prioritizes safety during operation. The panoramic filtered glass protective cover filters out 97% of ultraviolet light. The machine supports various engraving software and is compatible with different operating systems. In conclusion, the AtomStock A24 Pro laser engraver and cutter brings together power, precision, and user-friendly design. Whether you are a seasoned pro or just starting in the world of laser engraving, this machine has something to offer. Please share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. The link for the product is in the description. Until next time, happy engraving!